Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I make this jelly bean illuminator. This jelly bean illuminator or jelly bean highlighter are so popular on market, and also they are so costly in market. So let's make a very similar jelly bean illuminator less than 50 rupees. So let's start the process. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you haven't already to notify my future updates. For making jelly bean illuminator, we need a jelly base. For jelly base, I use aloe vera gel as a base. You can also use any facial gel for a base. And the second one, you need a oil. I use this baby oil because this is very lightweight and this suits on every skin type. And the third and the last one, we need a pigment. I use this glitter powder as a pigment. These are very fine powders. So let's start the process. I'm going to add little amount of golden glitter powder. I use about 2 pinch of golden glitter powder. Now I'm going to add about 2 pinch of silver glitter powder. You can choose any color of your choice. I use silver and golden glitter powder. Now I'm going to add aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel about 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil, baby oil. Now my daughter is going to help me on mixing this. Now our jelly bean highlighter is ready. Now I'm going to transfer this in a container. Now our highlighter is ready. Now I'm going to swatch this on my daughter's hand.
It goes a pretty way.
So this looks so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. So beautiful.
And also it dries on skin quickly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like my DIY jelly bean highlighter, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Bye bye.